What's going on, guys? And guess what we have here? If you guess AirPods 3, you would be correct. This AirPod 3 is redesigned and it has a massive charger case. And this one stands in between AirPods 2 and AirPods Pro. Alright, let's talk about what you get inside the box. This is AirPods 3G or AirPods 3, whatever they call it. As I mentioned earlier, the AirPod 3 comes with the MagSafe charging case. You can see the price of this is 18,500 here in India. What all are included? It's mentioned in the box: earbuds, charging case, and a cable. And these days, all the Apple devices have this pull tag on their box, which is pretty easy, and we don't have any plastic around the box, and you know the reason. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, here we go. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see what we have here inside this. Okay, it says AirPods. It's nothing but user guide. It's good. Alright, and safety and handling, regulatory compliance information. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this inside. Okay, we do have one more thing. Oh my, this is warranty. Okay, I wish they had included stickers in this. Here's the AirPod 3. Let me keep this here. We have something underneath this. Oh nice, they have included a charging cable, which is surprising. Okay, I'm gonna keep this here. Alright, so let's go ahead and unwrap this packaging here. Here we have the AirPods 3. I had this engraving done on the Apple website while placing the order. You can review it in the Apple website, and this is exactly how it was when I placed the order, and the way they have done this laser engraving is pretty neat. Also, this box is compact and this is smaller than the predecessor. Also, this is smaller than the AirPods Pro. As I mentioned earlier, this is a MagSafe case. This has magnets here, and here it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and this is the light indicator. The finish is really good. It's kind of glossy and with the curve shape. You know, I like the feel of holding this. It's really amazing. It's so cute and it has a nice finish. We do have the lightning port here. This is similar to what we have in iPhone. It's time to open this up. Nice. You can see how the light is blinking here when you open this lid. Here we can see the AirPods just sitting there. And this looks pretty similar to the AirPods Pro without the gel tips. So let's have a close-up of these. We have the right and left and touch controls at the bottom of both. Here you can see. And we have a little speaker here which goes towards your ear. You also have a little speaker on the top, and there's one on the side. So this pressure sensitive button, you can use it to pause the music, answer a phone call, and skip music, and so on. You can also use this to communicate with Siri if you press and hold this button. Alright, so let me put this back in the box. Okay, now the light turned green, which means the charge is full. One of the things I love so much about the AirPods is that you have to bring it to your phone and it's like, hey, do you want to set up this thing? Yeah, of course, I do. Wondering how do you know? And these AirPods are no exception. Okay, announce calls and notification. I'm gonna hit. My AirPods is connected to my iPhone. You can see My AirPods is connected. All right. Okay, soon after I remove this AirPods from the case, it automatically detects on the iPhone. Let me play some song. Alright, the song played on the phone but not on the AirPods. It's because AirPods have a sensor. When you place it in the ear, only then the sound is played on the AirPods. Okay, let me place this in my ear. Okay, I can hear a beep sound, and now if I want to play this, right, so I can hear the song in the AirPods but not on the phone. Sensor works perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna continue playing the song which I can hear in my AirPods. I'm gonna place it down. So as soon as I place it down, the music stops. I can try it again. So I'm gonna place it in my ear. I heard a beep sound. I'm gonna play it. Okay, I can hear the sound, and I'm gonna place it back down. So automatically music has paused. So that's a really good thing about this AirPods. Okay, so I'm gonna place this AirPods back in my ear. Okay, let me test the Siri. Hold this button. Hey Siri. Great, Siri works perfectly fine from the AirPods. Alright, so let me place this AirPods in my ear and see how comfortable it is. And also we will check whether the AirPods fall off when I shake my head and things like that, right? Okay, alright, so that seems good. You can hear a beep sound. Everything seems to be perfect. I don't see any kind of loose ends, or it doesn't shake. It fits perfectly fine. Let me try to shake my head and see if it falls off. Okay, that's good. I wasn't expecting this because the regular earphones provided by Apple with the wired one, when I used to place it in my ear, it used to fall off when I shake my head. So I was initially a bit hesitant when I was placing order for AirPods 3 because it lacks the earplugs which AirPod Pro has. So I was under the impression that this may fall off similar to the wired earphones, but fortunately it doesn't fall off. AirPods 3 without the earplugs, it fits perfectly fine. And the position of this button is very convenient here. You can press this and I can hear the music now. You can also use it to answer calls, talk to Siri and so on. Furthermore, the length of this part is reduced compared to the predecessors. Now it looks similar to AirPods Pro. So when you're wearing it, you can't technically tell the difference whether it's an AirPod 3 or AirPod Pro. As I mentioned earlier, this one stands exactly in between AirPods 2 and AirPods Pro. Price is attractive and it has almost all the feature of AirPods Pro. Buying this one is really a good deal. You will actually save a lot of money because AirPods Pro is more expensive, and this should satisfy your AirPod experience. The only thing I was expecting is a different color because all the AirPods comes in white. I like Apple to release a space gray one. That would be more nice. This looks more visible when you place it in your ear. Some people don't like that, they like black earphones. So it depends, and hopefully we can expect Apple to release a space gray version in the next release. There you go. This is the Apple AirPods 3. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.